Hi guys, and welcome back to my cooking show. Sorry I haven't posted anything for a while because I had a flu 2 weeks and a half, and yeah, I'm all better now. Back to the channel. Welcome to my Food Island Way channel. And yeah, I hope you all good and well and safe, and I hope none of you are sick, you know. And thank you for joining me. And today is Sunday afternoon, and I'm gonna cook. First of all, a taro. Look at the size of that taro. I'm gonna cook a taro in the oven, peel it and put it in the oven, and I'm making taro leaves. Taro leaves with coconut cream. Coconut cream. Yes, and I'm gonna cook some mussel, green mussel, New Zealand green mussels. And of course, I have to make some New Zealand flounder. Just fry them, just dust with flour and fry them. That's our Sunday lunch for today. Maybe we have a tin of corned beef with it. Yeah. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you're all well and safe. And let's get on with this. I'm gonna make a couple of taro leaves with onion, coconut cream, and a couple with just garlic and coconut cream, because other people don't eat what do you call onions. Okay, let's bear with me, and I'm gonna start making this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down a little bit. Okay guys. Hey guys, I've got a coconut cream in there. This is for the garlic one. I'm just gonna put some bit of water in there, because coconut cream is too thick. I already sliced up garlic in there, the coconut cream. Okay. And now I'm gonna add a bit of salt. Let's put enough salt. This is for the garlic taro leaves, and we don't want it too much coconut cream. It's for the older people. And more salt. Ooh. And that's the taro leaves for the older people. Need a lot of salt. Okay, that's for the coconut cream for the garlic one. And now I'm going to do the one with onions. That's it. And that should just turn up. Okay. What I do, I've got to put an onion in the palm of our hand. A bit of salt. And let's squeeze the onion in there. While I'm squeezing the onion in there, really squash it, so the onions can melt into the taro when it's cooked. I show you guys this before, even cooking taro and green bananas. You have to squeeze the onion. A bit of salt in it. A bit more salt. And dip it in and squeeze it. We haven't got much taro leaves, so I'm just going to make a couple of them. And they'll go in the oven. Stir the salt around to mix it. You need more salt. Oh, olives. First I'm going to do the garlic one. Bit of mess. Okay, a garlic one. Let me taste it again. Okay, with our leaves we usually get the big ones, but we can't get the big ones from the shop. I used to grow the taro leaves, but it's so winter in Australia, so it's very hard to get the good taro leaves. This must come from Queensland or Cairns. Okay, first we lay our taro leaves around. You use a big one on the bottom to hold all the coconut cream. There. And try to make a hole in there for coconut cream to sit on. Okay. Let's get some of that coconut cream in there. Maybe 2 scoops. I like the lot of coconut cream into the taro leaves, and then fold it in. Get our foil. There. We've got 1 taro leaves. You use 2 foil. There you go, guys. We've got 1 taro leaves. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Your hand upside down, taro leaves. The little ones in the middle. So I make a bowl. There. And again, 2 scoops of coconut cream. Fold it. Fold it in and the foil will hold it together. See, it's leaking. That's why we wanted our coconut big taro leaves in there. But that's alright, the foil will keep all that coconut cream in. See? There, 2 taro leaves. I'm going to keep going with this and I'll show you when it's all done. I'm going to do all these taro leaves. Okay guys, bear with me and I'll show you the... Hi guys, our taro leaves all done now. It's ready to go in the oven. You put it in a tray after you put foil, and then put some water on it. Put some water on the halfway and put it in the oven and cook it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It's depending, you keep checking it. Every hour, after hour you check it, but keep filling the water. Okay. Remember, if you make your taro leaves coconut cream runny, too runny, it's going to be like watery. But you make your coconut cream a little bit thicker. That way it'll come up like, when it's cold, your taro leaves get cooking cold, it's like cheese in there. Coconut cream, cheese. Okay, I'm going to take this and in the oven, and I'll be back in a minute to make the taro. Hey guys, I'm about to cook our mussels. I cleaned all the mussels out, cleaned all the shells, and now I'm going to cook our mussel with just fry a bit of garlic, some of the tomato, whole tomato, open it up and cut it up. Yeah, and a little tiny bit of drop of coconut cream. Okay, little bit of olive oil, not too much. There you go. Gonna warm up our pot, our oil. There's a 1 clove of 1 whole garlic. Peel and put it in there. Just fry that off. And need my camera a little bit higher, but that's alright. As long as you can see what I'm doing. Just fried it, colour. Family don't drink and they don't like food with alcohol in it, so yeah, maybe next time when I cook it for myself. Okay, now we add our tina tomato. I'm adding 2 tina tomatoes. Make enough sauce for our mussel to go around. You see it, guys? And let it cook, let that tomato cook. Next I'm going to add in there tiny little bit of coconut cream. This is just a juice for our mussels. Tin the tomatoes, whole tomato, slice it up with a knife in there in the tin. Then pour it in there. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of half a tablespoon of veggie salt, just to giving a bit of salty and a flavour to our mussels. I'm not adding any normal salt in there because mussels already got their own salt. Okay, add some of this what do you call it? Dry parsley. Yeah, heaps of it. Love that herbs in there. And let it bring it to the boil and let it boil for a while until the whole sauce is mixed together. You can see, guys, so the whole sauce is mixed together and bring it to the boil, and then all we do is add our mussels and that's all we need. Okay, let it bring it to the boil. Try not to make a mess. And I've got some herbs here to go in it. Fresh herbs. Once it's done, when it's mussels already done in it. It takes very quick for the mussel to cook. Yeah, it's our sauce already start boiling. Yeah. Hopefully you're having a good Sunday. Enjoy your family and friends, and yeah, with a wet weather like this, we need to have some nice food. And because I've been sick for 2.5 weeks with a flu, now I'm really hungry. Okay, just let our sauce boil. You can see the steam now is coming out. Yeah. Give it a little stir. I add a couple of drops of fish sauce to give that mussel that flavor back. That's why you don't need any salt in there. Okay, let our sauce boil. I need a stronger stove. Yeah, let our mussel cook. Let our sauce cook. I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, our sauce has been reduced for 5 minutes. Look, it's thick now, our sauce. Very thick. Now I'm gonna add our mussels. That's all we needed. Our mussels, green New Zealand mussel. We caught it when it froze. Box of mussel. And just have to clean them up and cook this. See all that creamy sauce, tomato coconut sauce is gonna, our mussel's gonna drink it, and we don't need to cook this too much. The sauce, the heat of the sauce is enough for to cook our mussels. It's a lot of mussels. We've got to cook it all because we already put it out of the freezer. Really noisy there. A matter of staying anyway. Alright guys, a noisy child. Just a spoon with sauce in there. So it's getting into our mussel. Our mussel's got the juice of their own too when they start cooking. So it's going to be more sauce on it. Okay, what we're going to do now, I'm just going to add some fresh herbs. Coriander, parsley. Just rip it up with your hands. Get a spoon out. Yeah, roughly. Beautiful the smell. I love the smell of that coriander. Some of the basil. Rip it up roughly. So as it goes into our, the flavor goes into our food, isn't it? You can really smell it now. Beautiful. Let's make it all covered in the sauce. Okay, our mussel is done. I'm just going to put a lid on it, give it 5 minutes, and turn the stove off. Yeah, the stove is still on. Okay guys, our mussel is done. I'll show you when it's ready. And let's get on to our fish. You know, our flounder, New Zealand flounder. We just have to dust in flour and fry it. Okay. Hey guys, I'm about to fry off New Zealand flounder now, and that's going to be the last of my work, my cook. Just a bit of flour on that board. Just dust it lightly with flour, not too much. Bit of salt, on top of it. Okay, I've got an oil here. Oil's already hot. So I just scale the flounder and what do you call, and wash it. Just dust it with flour. Fry pan. Fry off our flounders now. I'm frying one at a time because we've got a small fry pan. Yeah. My last thing to cook now for Sunday lunch. I've got 3 flounders to cook. our taro, and taro leaves are already ready in the oven. Yeah. And we have it with our mussels and our fish and corned beef. So just wait for this flounder to fry off. Gotta wash my hands. It'll take long to cook the flounder. Okay, I'm gonna get something to put our cooked fish on. It's very quick to cook our flounder. Okay, and put the tail down. On the tail to crunch it, because this flounder is hardly any bones. It's only the middle bone. So it's a perfect fish for anybody, even for the kids. Let it cook. I'm just gonna cook the first fish so you show you, and then yeah. Camera down again. And that's better. You can see I'm cooking on my table. I always cook on my table. It's fun. It's safe. There's no wind. There's no rain. You know, that they're getting wet. Yeah, I think I'll turn it over. Knock down, spin down, and turn it right over. You see the color of our fish, not beautiful. That's what exactly we're looking for. Just that brownness. And do the same thing on the other side. We've still got two flounder to go. Smell very good, very yummy. Cheers guys. Hope you enjoy your Sunday and your weekend, and stay safe out there. Still got a coronavirus coming back. Hope you and your family are well and safe. Yeah, it's nearly ready. You see it? The fish. You want to mess up our camera. I'm cooking it in olive oil. Fish are always beautiful to cook on olive oil. That fish is going to stop cooking. Why not get the other flounder ready? Isn't it? So the whole skin is covered with flour. You use your hand to put the flour on the fish. Let's cook but the other side of the tail. Tail is beautiful in its crunchy. You see how skinny the flounders are? They don't need to cook too long. You just need to skin the tail because it's very nice and crunchy. Move that stock out of there. That's good. That's to the hip. Hopefully about that is not steaming up. Ready. Put it in our paper, and we do the same as the other one. Let it cook. Okay guys, I'm going to keep cooking up 2 more flounder, and that's it for our Sunday cooking. Bear with me. Hi guys, I finally done my cooking. Okay, we got Taro. Taro now, it's all ready, still hot. Got our fish, our flounder. Beautiful. We have our mussels. No, steam the pot, camera. Got our mussels there, and we got our taro leaves. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Some fancy. Sorry, the camera's faced the other way now. You can't see. Yeah, for dessert. So we are done. Okay, thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, it's not easy to go around and try to control the camera on the other side. Okay, much love to you all and your families, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and goodbye for now. Hi guys, I'm finally done my cooking, and yeah, it's still raining out there. Mum just come and got their Sunday lunch and dinner. And yeah, I've got my plate of food there, my taro leaves. Look at my taro leaves. And mussels, and I got a corned beef. So, come down here a bit so you can see my food. Okay, I'm going to just test the food. Just break the taro in half. Where is it? You see how you eat it? Get a bit of taro leaves on your taro. So guys, you guys need to see me. Yeah. So creamy, that taro leaves. Get a bit of corned beef. Yum, yum. Just beautiful food for Sunday and any days. Okay, taro leaves and taro. Somebody hungry?
Yes.
Corned beef. Got our mussel. See? Oh, juice running everywhere. And I haven't got to the fish yet. Hope you guys are making this at home. I'm sure Islanders are always making them at home. Yeah, why not? Having taro leaf, corned beef. Sorry about crazy at the back, it's not eating. Look guys, taro leaves and taro, corned beef. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for your time, and thank you for your subscribe. I'll see you all again in the next video. Much love and God bless. See you in the next video.